Hi, welcome to JS's Log. I'm your JS. In this video, we're going to look into a cool Excel hack that will be really helpful for you when you're having a huge Excel data. Okay, so as you can see, if I am clicking this cell, okay, the entire row is getting automatically highlighted with yellow color. If I'm coming down, that particular row is automatically highlighted. Not only in this cell, if you're clicking any cell within this table range, that particular row will automatically get highlighted. Okay, so it not only make the data looking cool, okay, when you're presenting it for others to easily read, and for you also it is easy to refer. Three stages are there. First stage is press Ctrl A, okay, in order to select the entire table. Okay, press Ctrl A. Now press conditional formatting, left click on this and then left click on new rules, and then here click use a formula, and then click in this box and enter this rule. Okay, is equal to row open bracket close bracket is equal to cell open bracket double quote row double quote and close bracket. Now press format. Now I'm gonna click yellow here. Before that, by default you might have this number option or font option as selected. Okay, you have to click the fill option. Okay, you have to click the fill and select the color whatever you want. I'm gonna click yellow color. Okay, and I'm gonna click OK, then again OK. So in first stage we set the rule. Okay, second stage we have to automate it. Okay, that's the second stage. So what is that? So this particular table is existing in this particular tab. Okay, so which means my automation have to happen within this tab, right? So right click on this tab. Okay, the sheet 1, in my case it is sheet 1. Okay, I'm gonna right click on this and click view code, and here click the general, left click on this, select that worksheet, and now type this one, target. Okay, dot, type CAL, it will show calculate, double click on this, left click. Okay, now press Ctrl S to save this code. Okay, automation purpose. Once you press Ctrl S, it will show this and click save. Okay, now you can close this. Now it is automated. If you click anywhere within this particular table, it will get auto highlighted. Okay, third thing, the very important stage, that is we have to save this file as a macro file. Okay, for that press F12. Okay, now we have the dialog box for save as. Now click that Excel workbook. There you have to select that Excel macro enabled. Okay, so you have to click this, and the above I'm giving the name as auto highlighted in my case. Okay, you can give whatever the name you want. Press save. Now it is done. The reason is, if you don't select this option, that Excel macro enabled, then that once you close the Excel sheet, then when you open it again, it won't be there. Okay, the automation won't be there. You have to do it again. So that's the main reason. The save part is very important. Okay, if you save it as normal file, it won't work in future. Okay, hope this video helpful. If so, share this with your friends, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.